Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I add 2 to 4 photos in one 4x6 canvas using the Procreate app. It's perfect for printing multiple pictures on a single sheet. First tap the plus icon, then select the canvas size. You can change the canvas size according to your preferences or paper size. Now tap the wrench icon. Go to canvas and enable drawing guide. And this will activate the edit drawing guide option. From the guide types at the bottom, select the symmetry option, and this will divide your canvas into 2 equal halves. It's perfect for placing 2 photos side by side. Now I'll add the first photo. Tap add, then choose insert a photo option and place the photo on the first half of the canvas. You can use the arrow tool to adjust the photo, to select and deselect the photo once it's in a place, and repeat the same steps to insert your second photo on the other half of the canvas. Now let's add 4 photos on same 4x6 canvas. Just like before, go to edit drawing option, but this time select the 2D grid instead of symmetry. Adjust the grid size, do a full zoom using the slider until the canvas shows 4 equal sections. Now as you can see, this will divide your canvas into 4 equal parts, and then repeat the process of inserting their photos. 1 image per section. Adjust all 4 photos in the canvas. And once you are happy with your layout, select the share option and select JPEG and export your image, and it's ready to print. For more tips and tricks, follow my channel Art by A.a.r.t.i. See you in the next video. Bye bye.